Look at these two products listed online. Both claim to be sell a genuine HP toner. Same product photo, both say original, but only one actually is. And the fake one, it will damage your printer, void your coverage, and cost you hundreds of dollars in the repairment. Can you tell me the difference just from the listing? Most of the businesses can't, and that's exactly the problem we are here to solve. Hi, my name is Jatin, and from the last decade, our team has been working in this printer supply industry, and we have decided to solve the most expensive mistake that a company makes with their printer. Let me tell you the reality of our printing supply market. You search for an original HP toner online, you found n numbers of suppliers. They all use the same product photo. Price goes from $30 to hundreds of dollars. Some are genuine, most are not. Compatible cartridges are also sold as original. Refilled cartridges are resealed to look new. And counterfeit packaging has become sophisticated enough to fool an experienced buyer. For households, printing birthday invitations, cards may be annoying, but for the businesses, printing invoices, contracts, and clients' presentation, that is a liability. And did you know what? A damaged printhead can cost you from $200 to $800 in the repairment. And it is not covered because you just void the coverage by using the counterfeit or compatible toner. So the real question is not, can you find the cheapest toner online? The real question is, how do you know what actually you are buying? After working a whole decade in this printing supply distribution, we started Toner Inco just for one reason. Because businesses required a supplier that they can truly trust. Not just guesswork, a pure verification. Here's how we are different. First, official HP Business Partner certification. We do not just claim to sell original. HP has been certified us as an authorized business partner. It means every HP product we sell is verified by the manufacturer itself. Second, direct distributor relationship. We do not source from marketplace or any unknown reseller. Every cartridge comes directly from authorized distributor. It means we can trace every cartridge back to its origin. Third, batch level verification. Before shipping any product, we verified batch number, inspect security seals, and check authenticity marks. Because we do not sell compatible cartridges, we do not sell refurbished product, we do not sell marketplace inventory. If it is on Toner Inco, it comes from the brand through verified channels directly to you. It is not our marketing language, it is our supply chain. So if you want to say goodbye to the guesswork and say hello to the easy search, remember the name Toner Inco.